How to create a Facebook business page. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Now sign in into your account. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on pages. Now tap on the create button. Now select public page and tap on next. Now type your business page name. Now simply tap on next. Now tap on the category. Now search for the category of the business. Now tap on create. Now wait for some time. Now choose any one of them and tap on continue. Now fill up your business details. Again tap on next. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the camera icon to upload a picture for your business page. Now once you're done, simply tap on next again. Now tap on next. Now simply tap on done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.